Do you want to become a product manager, but you don't want to spend years in mastering and upskilling in product management, and you want to become a product manager fast? Hi everyone, my name is Manav. I'm the founder and CEO of INSEAD, and in this video I want to introduce you to a first of its kind program in India and one of the most popular programs in India called the Global Certificate in Product Management. Now, before I tell you why you should choose this program and what is unique about this program, let me tell you who this program is for. This program has been designed keeping one person in mind, that is you. If your dream, if your vision, and if your ambition is to crack top product companies and become a world-class product manager, this program is for you. Now, let me tell you 3 reasons why you should choose this program. Number 1, this program has been designed by some of the best, finest, and most experienced product managers from some of the top product companies in the world. So what you are getting in the program is not only just concepts but real world applied product management, which is so important for your success as a product manager. Till the time you do not know how to apply product management in different industries, in your industry or in your target job, you will not be able to become successful, and that's what this program does. That the program is very practical and hands-on in nature. The second reason and very important reason why this program is very different from any other program is simply because it is a one of its kind program that teaches you all the things that you need to know in product management and to become a product manager in just 6 months, in 6 months duration, right from learning the basics of product management. Even if you're from a non-product management background, that's totally fine. It does not discriminate whether you are a product manager or not a product manager. It teaches you in term 1 the very basics of product management and warms you up to what this field is, then goes term by term to the more advanced concepts, let's say product strategy, road mapping, UI UX for product managers, technology for product manager. And the way it is laid out in such a structured, well-knit fashion that each term you will have some definite outcome. In 6 months, you would have learned UI UX, product strategy, technology, product marketing, for example, and all of these are things that you need to know, learn, and master before you go for that next product management opportunity. And the last part about the program, or the third reason why this program is very different from any other program, is that only when you are being taught in a live fashion, interactive fashion, right, application-based fashion from real product managers, we believe you will be able to not only learn but absorb the concepts much better. And that's why in this program, we don't make you just watch recorded content and expect that you'll become a world-class product manager, but you every weekend you learn in an interactive fashion from top product managers from companies like Adobe, Microsoft, Google, etc., which is so important because when you are learning in an interactive classroom-based fashion, you are not only learning a particular concept and topic, but you're also learning the thought process of these product managers, and most likely these are the very people who will be interviewing you because they work in your target product companies. This program is truly one of its kind program, and the best part is it comes with career assistance. I invite you to explore yourself more on this journey of becoming a world-class product manager with the Global Certificate in Product Management. Talk to your learning advisor and get started on this program of 6 months for the Global Certificate in Product Management. Thank you.